Real downpours coming through parts of our area right now. So we're looking right now at that heavy rain pulling out of the north and east. We saw a lot of lightning strikes there in Dover. It has kind of fizzled a little bit as far as those storms, but we can see some heavy rain that is pushing in right now into South Jersey and continuing. I think the heaviest will be shifting just east of the city as this line moves in, but we can see all through the region some downpours mixing with some showers through the region. So there you can see some of those cells that are moving up, and the lightning strikes we had in Dover that are currently in Millville right now. A wider look, the worst of the rain today will be just through the morning hours as we look at this radar. So we've got some of these storms and some steady rain moving through right now. Beyond that, it'll be hit or miss through the rest of the day. So it's not raining constantly all day, but through the morning hours, you could expect it at 6 a.m. at least some showers around. I think we see one final push of maybe some heavier rain coming in at 8 o'clock this morning. So you're in and out of it during the morning commute, but at 10:30, a couple of more showers. The rest of the day, it's more spotty in nature, but heading out right now, you need that umbrella. It's coming down pretty good in spots. At 6 a.m., we're looking at 53. At lunchtime, a few more spotty showers and 63. Then we see those temperatures late in the day really spike up with some sunshine, Matt. So the worst of it is through the morning hours. In the evening, it's just a couple of spotty showers around. We'll talk more about that coming up, but that's not going to be good for them. Some pockets of really heavy rain moving through the region right now. Most of the heaviest rain is centered in South Jersey, coming through right now in parts of Cumberland and Salem and Gloucester County, soon to be in Camden and Burlington counties, although we've got a couple of pockets near the city itself and some of your northwest suburbs. This is the wettest part of the day, what's happening right now. As I look to the south, we saw a line of storms. There were some strong thunderstorms, or at least a lot of lightning strikes with this line that will continue to spread into South Jersey. The lightning has dissipated. It's now just pockets of heavy rain, but I wouldn't be surprised to hear the rumble of thunder. As we look a wider view of the radar, you can see this is the heaviest we'll be dealing with. It quickly tapers off to just some showers around later on. So looking at this at 6 a.m., still some showers, kind of in and out of it through your morning commute, but it does start to taper by the end of the morning commute. Lots of clouds through the afternoon hours and a spotty shower later too. So the wettest time period is happening right now. If you're heading out in the later part of the morning's commute, 7, 8, 9 o'clock, you're just talking about some showers. It's not a driving rain, but still a spotty shower at lunchtime, 1 or 2 in the evening. You can see we do see some sunshine late in the day, Matt, and that really allows temperatures to spike up there into the 70s.
Okie dokes, Karen.
It doesn't really have the same intensity it did an hour and a half ago. So as you probably heard, the heavy rain coming in the overnight, even some rumbles of thunder. Right now, we've got more of a light, steady rain coming through the area. We had some areas of yellow, some really good downpours that moved through the city and up near Trenton. But you can see even that is dissipated. But there's a lot of water on the roadway because this started overnight with some heavy rain and thunderstorms. So you can see this is not going to last all day. We're dealing with the morning event. Right now, the morning commute, the wettest time period. So here's what you can expect. The rain that we have right now is tapering to some showers by the end of the morning commute. So if you want to go in a little bit later, the weather conditions will be better. In the evening hours, it's mild. We even get some sunshine and nothing more than an isolated shower or thunderstorm for the evening commute. It looks mostly dry then. So lots of rain through the morning hours. At 7 a.m., still some showers. By 9, it's basically just cloudy. Maybe a couple more showers roll through the lunchtime area in 1 or 2 spots. Much of the afternoon is cool and cloudy. Very late in the day, we get the sun, Matt, and that's when temperatures spike into the 70s today.
Gotcha, Karen.
When you even heard the rumble of thunder overnight. So let's get right to Storm Tracker, and you can see some pockets of heavy rain. We were really in it in the city and much of South Jersey. Now we can see that area of yellow kind of pulling away from the city at the moment. So still really wet in Abington, coming down pretty good. The heavy rain in Trenton, in Mount Laurel, and all through Burlington and Ocean counties in New Jersey. But the heaviest rain is happening right now. We look beyond this, we can see that steady rain tapering to just some showers, and then through the afternoon and evening, it's more of a spotty shower. So looking at 6:30 this morning, sure, we're still in the rain. By 8 o'clock, some showers in spots that you'll be dealing with, but if you kind of push your morning commute a little later, I think it'll be better. At 11:30, you got a couple more showers around through the region. So very early this morning, that's the steadiest rain we'll be dealing with, but not entirely dry. In and out of the clouds and some showers. much of the day. At 1 o'clock, a sprinkle around and 64. We see some late sun, and late in the day, that's when the temperatures really spike up. So you stay in the 60s, even at 3 o'clock, you're just in the 60s. But with some sunshine this time of year in the evening, Matt, that's going to allow those temperatures to, with some pockets of heavy rain moving through the area right now. So the areas of yellow are where you're seeing some of the heaviest rain, and much of it has been cutting right through South Jersey. But we've got pockets of rain moving through the city as well. Here's a line I've been following that had a lot of lightning strikes with it an hour ago. We're no longer seeing thunderstorms. The lightning strikes have kind of dissipated, but some heavier rain that will continue to train into South Jersey. So you're going to have to give yourself some extra time and be careful with the morning commute. This is not sticking around all day. The steadiest rain happening right now. Behind that, we taper off to some showers and then just a spotty shower through the afternoon or evening. So at 8:30 in the morning, if you're commuting in the end of the morning commute rather than the very early parts, you're still seeing some showers around. It's not as steady as it is right now. Through the afternoon, maybe 1 or 2 spotty showers. We get sunshine later in the day. This is a look at 5 o'clock. You see a lot of breaks in the clouds, but 1 or 2 showers or thunderstorms still moving through the area through the evening. So the wettest time period is the early morning commute. At 6 a.m., we still have some heavy rain in spots, 52. By 8 o'clock, a few showers around. At 10 o'clock, it's mostly just cloudy skies. Maybe another quick shower at times through the lunchtime hour, 63. Temperatures are slow to warm, but once we get that sun breaking through at the end of the afternoon into the evening, they're going to shoot up quickly into the 70s, and you're going to see some sun